Yep, I've come again, I've come again, I've come again. It's Oga Ben VFX here. You understand? And just as the name imply, just as the topic imply, you understand? I'm here for a struggling traders. You understand? Struggling traders are the main reason for my live stream. You understand? Struggling traders are the main reason for my live stream. You get? Struggling traders are the main reason for my live stream. If there is any question you have, just drop it on the comment. I'm going to like attend to every comment that I have. You understand? I'm going to attend to every comment that I have. You get, ba? But the reason why I'm here this evening, I always come on live here, do top down analysis and the rest. Yes, I'm going to do that, but I'm here to like encourage a lot of people. You understand? Because the way the industry dey now, the way forest industry dey now, it makes like they make it look as if forest is very very easy. You understand? They make it look as if forex is a very like it's just very very easy something to like make a crazy amount of money overnight. You understand? To change your life. I know whenever like if you start forex, the day that you hear about forex, or you stumble on somebody that is into forex online, you think, this person have been making the crazy amount of money, this person has been making millions, this person has been, yeah, you're welcome my brother, you're welcome, you are highly welcome. I appreciate you for coming. So just as the name imply, just as the topic imply, I'm here for struggling traders. You understand? I'm here. Struggling traders are the main reason for my live stream. And I'm here to share anything, all your questions. Just drop your question. You understand? Drop your question. I'm here and I'm here for you. Because the way the industry dey, there is one research I do today that shocked me to my bone. You understand? There's one research after Harvey posted that he make $1.5 million from a single trade on XAUSD. Yes, real and legit. It's real and legit that yes, Happy Forex makes that money, and I believe in that guy, and he's somebody who I'm looking up to. So after I see that on Twitter, you understand? Immediately I saw that on Twitter, I went to YouTube straight. You understand? How this guy starts, because that is the number one thing that they always look for. How did this guy start? Okay, they always tell us that they have been in the game for the past 9, 10 years now. You understand? But for the past, we don't hear about them. Like for the past 5, 4 years now, we know they hear about them, and now they are trending. Okay, how these guys start this game? How did they start this game? Mhm. And if you are somebody who is not good in researching now, you will go and be like killing yourself, like buying yourself, oh, go into depression, this person is making crazy amount of money. Or if you are somebody who don't believe in what they are showing, you say yes, it's a fake account, it's a demo account. No, it's not a demo account, it's a real account that they are trading with. Let me tell you the bitter truth. It's a real account that they are trading with. But make research of how they start first. That is the number one thing you need to do. You understand? You will never believe that HappyFX as of 5 years ago, what I found on his a trading account is $3.23 AUD. You understand? In his trading account, what I found on his like he just go on YouTube, search on HappyFX after this live stream. Whoever you are looking up to today in this particular forex industry, whoever is showing you his lifestyle, just the only thing that pay me is that they go back to when they start to delete all their past struggles so that people will like pay them, you understand, to teach them, so that people will be seeing them as God. You understand? That's the only thing that pains me about them. And that's what I'm not going to do. You understand? As I'm struggling, yes, I know I've passed the phase of losing in the market. I just closed the trade now on gold, and that trade now recover me from all the loss I've been having this week. You understand? Yesterday, which day is it, Monday or Tuesday? I had a loss, but I know a calculated risk. I do a calculated risk. So one trade that I get today right on gold now recover me from the loss. You understand? So I know I've passed the stage of losing in the market, but is it time like I dey ask myself say, so time will come I will have to like go back to my old video and delete them just for people to come subscribe to see me as God. I check Happy Forex old videos, you understand, on YouTube, because on Instagram you will not find any old video. Any of their old video that they didn't do well, they are going to like they delete them ASAP. You understand? That one no dey dey. But on YouTube, they leave some of them, you understand? At least they leave some of them, but Kojo Forex wipe everything. Kojo, see, I search for Happy, I search for Kojo, I search for Jeffrey Benson. You understand? Those two traders, those three traders that we look up to, I search their past. Is true. The consistency in your trading is what makes you successful. One advice is that you should have multiple sources of income so that when you lose, you won't be down. Thank you so much. I'll let this your comment dey for here, dey here like this. You understand? So what these people do, I want to continue because I'm here for people who are struggling, who start forex trading like maybe last 3 years, last 4 years, last 2 years, last year and the rest, that are still struggling, who think who is thinking that they may like, who wants to give up. You understand? I don't know how to put it. I'm here for people who wants to give up in trading because of the type of lifestyle that they are seeing, that they are making them. Those lifestyle now is making them to over risk their accounts. You understand? So that they will catch up, not knowing that these people that they are seeing today that is showing lifestyle have been in the game for the past 9, 10, 12 years. Person like this person, oh my God, person like Dapo Willis have been in the game for the past 12 years. Person like Jeffrey Benson have been in the game for the past 9 years. Person like Happy Forex have been in the game for the past 9 years. You understand? But the truth they don't tell you so that you see them as God is that they pass through hell. Whatever you are passing through today, them themselves, they pass through times 10 of it. Because do you know why? That time that they start, there is not much information on the internet, but now there are plenty information on the internet. You get? There are plenty information that will make you profitable in a short period of time, that will not make you lose excess money this time around. You understand? But they went back when they are struggling to wipe all their this thing. But there is one I caught on Happy Forex past video. Do you know how much Happy is trading last 5 years? Do you know I found in his live account for the past last 5 years 3.23 AUD, Australian dollar. 3.23 AUD. That is the account Happy is trading with last 5 years. Somebody that is making 1.5 million in a single trade today. You understand? He make that money today. But as of last 5 years, he's trading with 3.23 AUD. See, this the video that I record before I come to this particular live stream. Just watch that video tomorrow. I'll make sure I edit that video up, like overlay everything I see for you guys so that you guys will see. You understand? So before you copy anybody lifestyle, watch how that person starts. You understand? Watch how that person starts. No matter how they wipe everything, there are something you will see. You understand? There are something you will see that will keep you going. My life on this particular internet is to keep motivating upcoming traders, because trading is the only thing that is going to like bring you out of, give you the freedom that you need. You understand? So my work here as I dey here like this, my work is to keep motivating upcoming traders who are struggling. You understand? I'm going to share my screen, do a top-down analysis, you understand? To tell you guys what I see on gold before I take that particular trade that go in my favor, show you guys what makes me have that particular loss. Is it yesterday? Yes, yesterday. Then some other things, we'll do some other things, depend on the type of question you guys ask. You understand? But one thing I want to start from is, before you look up to anybody, see their lifestyle today, go back to their old videos. No matter how they delete it reach, there is one particular one that you see the kind of people, they how humble they are. You understand? How humble they are. And you know what? Those people, they did not pay anybody to mentor them. Just as me, as I dey like this, I've never used 1 naira to buy any course. You understand? I've never used 1 naira to buy any course from anybody. And I'm here like this. And I always say this. I know a guy on YouTube here, is a YouTuber. You understand? That finished from a Jeffrey Benson master class up to today. He's been doing YouTube close to 5 years now. You understand? But he's not yet profitable in the market. I'm doing far better than that guy. You understand? Me, shey, I can boldly come and show you my loss and my win. You understand? The reason why you see some of my video and I dey pull cry emoji, not that I cannot control my emotion, but for you guys to know that yes, me that always come here to give you advice, I pass through and they have lost just the way they have lost. But what is the difference? I dey like manage my risk. I discipline myself enough to know the kind type of risk I will take. That is it. That is just the difference. I discipline myself enough to know the type of risk I will take. I discipline myself enough to come to the chart every day and study it. I discipline myself enough to stick to my trading strategy. No matter how worse it gets, I discipline myself to the extent that there is nobody on earth that will give me another strategy and I will change my strategy. You understand? So the candlestick, I keep telling you guys, candlestick that you are seeing on your chart is the only thing that will going to make you profitable. That is the language the market speak to you. That is the language, that is the signal the market give you. Once you can be able to look at your chart day and night and spot one particular thing that always happen, you are good to go. Just try building on that, build on that until you build trust around that particular strategy and you are good to go. You understand? These people, they wipe their old video for you to see them as God, and they are not God. You understand? And they are not God. Maybe I'm not going to do this live video for long because the way I'm talking, I feel just lose my energy very, very fast. Because at the verse, wetin I see under Happy Forex, under his old video, $3, 3 AUD, 3 Australian dollar, 3.23 Australian dollar is what Happy is trading with last 5 years. Somebody that is making 1.5 million dollar, convert it to naira, you see how much e be in naira. He's trading with 3.23 US dollar AUD. Do you see as I make mistake? I see it, I screenshot it, I screenshot the profit he made today, I screenshot the account he's trading with as of last 5 years. I go under Jeffrey Benson, I screenshot Jeffrey Benson, who is showing you $200,000, $5 million account today. The way he happy the day he make $200, just common $200, the way he happy say he closed $200 in profit last 7 years ago. You will be very, very surprised. And so what you need now for you to get to that level is patience and discipline. Patience and discipline is the only thing you need. It will take you time because it takes them time. It will not happen overnight. Never, never. No matter how you pray to God, if you like, pray, roll on the ground, knock yourself for ground, knock yourself for ground. See, knock yourself for ground like this. E no go happen overnight. Experience is going to teach you. You understand? It is experience that is going to teach you. Make I see wetin dis my brother post the comment, make I read am. Trading is not a competition. Be ready to go through the struggle. Trading is easy and hard, but patience, resilience and good financial psychology will take you there. Don't forget God. Simple. You understand? Simple. God, like, once you are patience, discipline, always pray to God so that you become profitable one day. That's just all that you need. Always pray to God Almighty so that you become profitable. Your prayer supposed to be, God, as far as these people can do it, me too, I can do it. I believe in you, oh Lord. As far as these guys can do it, me too, I can. I don't know where they get the knowledge from, but as far as they can do it, me too, I can do it. That will be your prayer every day and night. Every day and night. Then keep going. Then please, as you come here, please don't over deposit into your broker in your learning process. As I dey like this, before any money wey I deposit, you see that my OctaFX, if I deposit $20 or $50 inside that OctaFX, I dey carry am like say na egg. If not until I see my A1 strategy, you understand, I no dey take trade with that OctaFX. Na why I no dey make video with that one. You understand? You see, a prop account, if you want to be taking your strategy, anytime you see your strategy, you take a trade, then you know you build strategy around it, then try get a prop account. Even if na 2 faces, 3 faces, 4 faces, just try get am. Then be consistently trading your strategy, you understand, and you are good to go. These people that we are worshiping, in that we are looking up to, they are nothing. For the last 5 years, they are nothing. Nobody dey even hear about them. What they are doing is they keep building. They keep building. If you see the way they dey very, very serious, if you see the way they dey very serious, I watch them and say, kai, these guys, Jesus. I was happy. I laugh. Only me at the shop. I laugh, tire. I say, see person wey just post $1.5 million on Twitter. I go to his Instagram story, I see am. That person Happy is trading with 3.23 AUD, Australian dollars, of last 5 years. Why won't you give yourself enough time? You as you are watching me like this, why you no go give yourself enough time for you to become profitable as he is? Tell me the reason why you no go pay that price to become that profitable. Tell me, okay, which business are you going to do that will make you, let me just say, $5,000 a day? If you will not try to discipline yourself to become profitable in trading, which business are you going to do that you make $5,000 in a day in the comfort of your house? Make video, make shouts, do everything you want, go to club, do anything. The kind of lifestyle you are admiring today. Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years now, you will be living it. Just comot your eye from what they are showing now. You understand? If you want to learn, look for one person that is real. You understand? Look for one person that is real and stick to that person. No pay the person, but stick to that person. Make the person dey tell you the bitter truth in forex. Then you yourself, you go dey use yourself, dey follow am, dey go gradually. When I no know anything, I tell you, I stumble on Kojo Forex Instagram page like this. I cried the hell out of my eye that day. I say, this thing I go deposit money, e go. I go deposit money, I go blow am. I go deposit money, I go blow am. Is it not the same thing that is working for this guy? Isn't that the same thing that is working for this guy that is chopping his life? I don't know, say na something wey dem don dey build for over how many years? Over how many years? Just that they keep going. You see, the reason why you see that there's profitable traders, like out of 100 is just 1% of people that are profitable. That you dey see that statistic everywhere every time, is because people are not that patient enough to wait till their breakthrough happen. You understand? People are not that patient. People no dey patience till their breakthrough happen. You understand? Let me see what this my brother write again. Ben, what is the meaning of being profitable? That's what we always hear. Because if I'm withdrawing every week, but I can't buy Ferrari, does it mean I'm not You are profitable. You no go buy Ferrari now, my brother. Those people that is buying that Ferrari now that you are talking about, check how many years they have been in the game. Check how much they have been trading there before. Last 5 years, Habi is trading with just 3.23 AUD. You understand? Now, Habi can afford any car he wants now. You understand? So give yourself time. Being a profitable trader, let me tell you the definition of being a profitable trader and non-a profitable trader. A profitable trader is somebody who have an edge in the market, who have a strategy in the market, who have the patience, who have the discipline to stick to his plan. You understand? You understand? But non-profitable trader is the type of traders that jump from one strategy to another, jump from one lesson to another, thinking their own is not good, who are not consistent, who are chasing instant money and the rest. Those are the unprofitable forex trader. But the profitable forex trader are those ones that are very calm and have the knowledge that, oh God. See, if I continue with this type of energy, I'm going to exhaust everything. I cannot analyze the chart anymore. If I continue like this, profitable trader, see, once you can be able to end your week in profit, even if it is just $1, but you stick to your plan, your strategy, you are disciplined enough not to over risk your account. Once you can be able to prove this thing, to prove last 3 months trading history, once you can be able to up in profit, even if it is just $2, $4, $5, you from your past 3 months this thing history, you are a profitable trader. Only thing you need to do is to be working on that your strategy, working on it back to back, back to back, back to back, until everything work out. You understand? Until everything work out. See, Habi is trading with 0.01 as of last 5 years. Check my video tomorrow. I go overlay everything for una. Jeffrey Benson is trading with 0.01, 0.05. Them now today they are using 100 standard lot size, and you dey see them, you dey say God when, God when, God when. They have been in the game for the past 9, 10, 12 years. You understand? They have been in the game for the past 9, 10, 12 years. How many years have you started trading that you want to that you want to frustrate yourself, you want to kill yourself, you want to no. Be disciplined and keep grinding. Be disciplined and keep grinding. Be disciplined and keep grinding. As I dey like this, even at my stage now like this, I know this sometimes I know dey sleep. I go finish from shop, you understand? If not because of these days that I come live with you guys, I dey finish from shop 11 to 12, go house, go stick to my chart like this, read my study my strategy. study my strategy while like this, my eye go open till 3 4, you understand, till 3 4 before I can boldly like build this thing, a strong mindset around that particular strategy, that I always take trade with confidence in it, you understand, that I always take trade with confidence. Last 3 months, I'll give you my last 3 months. If Adibin fear or show you guys, I'm like I connect the phone directly to the this thing so that to supply it constant this thing network. If not, I will show you my last 3 month history. You understand? I'm up in profit. My last month history, I'm up in 500 and something in profit. My last month, I'm up in how many 300 and something in profit. I can boldly beat my chest and call myself a profitable trader. Me not driving Ferrari, I know I've not reached that stage. Me not driving Rolls Royce, I know I've not reached that stage. I never reached that stage. I'm still on the process of that grinding. You understand? Jeffrey Benson, the reason why you see that Jeffrey Benson come up this quick is because he's in the middle of a good friend who donates money for am, you understand. They have the opportunity, and that time that they start forex trading in Nigeria, there are no much forex traders in Nigeria, so they get subscribers money, subscription money from people. They teach people even as they don't know what they are doing, you understand, even as they are chopping stop loss upon stop loss, they are still teaching people. People are paying them. As of last 5 years, Habi is charging people 150,000 naira to teach them why he's trading with 3.23 AUD. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? So those people, they discover this forest of a thing very quick. They are the top traders in Nigeria, you understand? They are the one that discover trading in Nigeria. So stop talking about waiting. Stop talking about other, just do your thing. Can I ask you some question, please? You can ask questions, but I'm telling you the truth. See, this is what is buying you people. You understand? You don't want the bitter truth. That is just the problem. You don't want, see, the lifestyle you are seeing that you are that get you depressed every day. That is, I'm telling you the secret of that lifestyle. I'm not against them. It's those people that I'm looking up to. Not that I'm against them. I swear to God Almighty, I'm not against them. But I just want to like tell you guys that what you are seeing, the result you are seeing today is a result that they have been grinding and building, not a result that you can just like get within a year or 2 years of your trading. They have been in the game for long. I'm just bringing out the truth for you guys so that you will not be depressed, so that you keep grinding. Not that I'm against them. Happy Forex is my mentor, is somebody that I'm looking up to in this particular industry. Jeffrey Benson is somebody that I love so much, you understand. I'm not talking down on them, because if they did not charge you to teach you, you understand, you will not take that lesson serious. And is a knowledge that they get, you understand, through cry like this. They cry the hell out of their eye before they get that knowledge. So if they not charge you, you will not take the lesson serious. That is the reason why I'm giving you free knowledge now, and you are telling me that I should not talk about other people's this thing. Not that I'm against them. They are the people I'm looking up to. You understand? I love them from the bottom of my heart, because they are the type of people that I want. They are the type of people that I look up to because of their discipline and consistency. You understand? Those are my mentors. You understand? I'm telling you that they have been in the game and they did very disciplined. But you that just start, that have not even spent up to 4 years in the game, you want to be living the kind of lifestyle they are living. That is the truth I'm bringing to you. You understand? That's the truth. That's the truth I'm bringing to. I swear to God, I'm not against them. I cannot talk down on any forex trader, because I know what I'm passing through to become profitable in this forex trading, and I know they pass through the same thing. Then why would I come and be talking down on them? Never, 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 never. They are the people I'm looking up to. You understand? They are the people I'm looking up to. I'm just telling you guys who are the struggling forex trader now, you understand, for you to be just keep grinding. Not that I'm talking down on them, I'm telling you what them themselves pass through, you understand. Let me see. Now we want to learn from you, not other, because you make it clear. So I'm bringing you the best that I can, you understand, and I need to be telling you the truth. That is why I post everything I do on my chat for you guys, because the video sef that I'm making today is not for today. It's a video that other people who wants to come into forex trading will come and learn from inside, you understand, not only you guys, you understand. You are not the only one who is going to learn from this particular live stream or my video that I always post. Other people will come and they will rewatch it, and they will know that yes, so these people that we are looking up to, they passed through this so process. Then it's not a game that I'm going to be rushing myself. Let me take it slow and steady, then I'll become profitable one day. That is just it. That's just it. I'm not here to talk down on any forex trader. I know how forex traders struggle, and I'm a forex trader. You understand? I know I don't cry like I you know how many times I don't lose money, cry, clean my tear, come outside before I come dey talk down on another person effort. Me, I just dey bring to you what you suppose to know so that you keep grinding regardless of what you are passing through. Tomorrow is bigger. That is the only thing I'm bringing to you. That is the only thing I'm bringing to you. Tomorrow is bigger. That is the only thing I'm bringing to you. Happy Forest is somebody that I'm looking up to. You understand? I cannot talk down on them because I know what they pass through, and I know what I'm passing through, and I know what I've been passing through. My videos is not for only una. I swear to God, and I'm not going to delete it. It's here. Every other person who come to who see, there are a lot of DMs that I get. You understand? People who comes to my DM, comes who stumble on my channel and get inspired plenty. Then they come to my DM, they tell me say my video they give them hope, say they will make am in this particular forex. You understand? And it's the truth, and I dey tell them the truth. It's just to keep going, you understand, it's just to keep going. It's not because of only this. Okay, I'm here because of three of una wey dey watch me now like this, you understand, but a lot of thousands of people will still rewatch this particular video and get inspired. They will know that yes, so these so top traders that we look up to, that we are fast forwarding our life because of them, they pass through this same thing. Yesterday the live video I do, how many people attend the live video? I think we are just three, in two or three. Sometimes I think it's just one person that stay consistent. You understand? But do you know how many people who don't watch that particular video? More than 40, more than 48 people now have watched that video. So any live video that I do, even if single person did not participate, a lot of people will still rewatch because it's on my channel. A lot of people will rewatch and they will thank me. When they discover the truth, they will thank me. They would say thank you for telling me the truth. That is what I want to. That is what I'm pursuing. Telling traders, struggling traders, the truth so that they will not give up, because that is just the dream. That is just the dream. You think I'm talking down on anybody? I'm not talking down on anybody. Every forex trader is a gold in my eye. Every forex trader is a gold. Do you know what gold is? They are gold. They are mentally strong. They are physically strong. They can withstand anything. You understand? Talking down on any forex trading for waiting. For waiting. Ask question if you have a question. Ask question. Ask question. I just see, I've been talking about what you need to do as a struggling forex trader for the past 34 minutes now. So whoever come across this particular video now will learn from what I've been saying since. You understand? Before you copy anybody lifestyle, watch back, look back, you understand? Watch when that person start. Even me like this that is teaching you today, if you should go to some of my video, you will get inspired more, you understand? You go see say yes, consistency is something that is very very important in the forest industry. You see that consistency is very very important. Let me see if there is no question. I don't mind, I'll go to top down analysis. A lot of people, thousands of people will come back to this particular video and watch it. It's like I don't need no big crowd. It's not by crowd, you understand? It's by what you can give, because people are going to their back to video they have been doing from video Habi is been doing from back. People are going there, you understand? Some people are even there. Even me, I visited today. So people will visit my old video and learn from inside, you understand? So if you have question, drop. If you don't have question, I'll continue what I'm saying, or go to my chat and do a top down analysis for whoever wants to learn from inside. Then we'll continue. You understand? We'll continue. That's just it, nothing more than that. I'm just here. If you not start this live stream from the beginning, I will even want you to like rewatch it. You understand? Rewatch them so that you learn from what I've been saying. Mhm. Happy Forest make $1.5 million today, but as of last 5 years, he's trading with 3.23 AUD. You understand? So from there now, you yourself, you come back to your normal senses and say, this person means this thing did not happen overnight. To you come back to your normal senses and tell yourself that this thing means na consis ten cy make this person be wetin he be today. You understand? You come back to your normal senses and say that. You understand? You come back to your sense and say that. Yeah, you are welcome. You are welcome. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Appreciate. Good night. How are you doing? Appreciate. Appreciate. Welcome. 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 I don't know how to pronounce this your name, but I will say Levega Forex. Levega Forex. Levega Forex. I've been giving like advice since from the beginning of this video. I'll be giving advice. If you are just joining, maybe after the live stream you can rewatch, you understand, so that you at least get one or two things, you understand. And Hazim Ola, you're welcome, you're welcome. I see you, my brother. I see you, Hazim. See, I don't para finish. I don't para finish now. I don't calm down. I don't take water. E be like say water na life oh. I don't para finish. You understand? I don't give knowledge to our struggling beginner traders so that they will calm down. You understand? Be pursuing the knowledge slow and steady. I don't talk about that one finish. Now to just go to the main thing now so that God, I dey even laugh myself because the way e dey vex me say people dey wan dey fast forward their life, e dey vex me. And e go make dem lose a lot of money before they realize. Na wetin dey pain me be that. Na wetin dey pain me. So abeg no go lose money chasing what you no acquire overnight. Abeg, I beg you my brothers and sisters, I beg you. I beg you. I dey see people dey say God when e dey take time, e dey take time, a lot of times man. Any question just hit me with one question. See me, I dey very happy today oh. I cut trade on this thing on gold. You understand? I recover from all my loss this week. If not, I for end this week in loss. I swear. I will end the week in loss, but get trade now. I'll post the video tomorrow because I made video about it. I'll post it tomorrow. There is a trade I cut on XAUSD that makes me recover my loss. You understand? If not, the way this week rough, but at the best, this week rough. I swear, this week rough. If you are a trader, if if you are a trader and you end this week in profit, means Just clap. See, clap for yourself. If you are a trader, that demo or live account and you end this week in profit, just dey clap for yourself because this week rough. This week rough. If not because of the trade that I caught on XAUSD today, I for end this week in loss. I'm telling you the truth. And I'll post the video tomorrow. Let me see. Life insane every day. The market today being very volatile, very very volatile. From yesterday till today is very volatile, my brother. Very very volatile. I lost yesterday. I lost trade yesterday. Like trade wey I no even suppose lost o. My strategy play out clean and clear, but I lost it. I lost it. I maneuver this thing. There is two trades that are supposed lost on Euro USD. I think I post that one already. There is two trades that are supposed lost on Euro USD. I try because I see the way the market is doing. I see exactly what the market is doing. As the market go in my favor, I put it on break even. It's back to the downside. I say yes, yes, let it be it. Let it be it. But later, I can't get SL on, I can't get stop loss on gold, but I recover it today. I'm going to post that one tomorrow. So I post both my loss and my profit, you understand, at least so that people will be learning from inside. People that we are looking up to, they even have the same loss and profit, you understand? So we are all doing the same. Should I just, my network is bad. I don't know, but I don't know if it's bad. My network is been bad, I beg. I don't know. The phone is shaking, and once it's shaking, once if okay, yeah, it's back. Means you guys can hear me now. You guys can hear me now, clean and clear, right? If you can hear me, please let me see number one on the chat. If you can hear me, let me see number one on the chat, please. Real quick, real quick, real quick. If you can hear me now, please let me see number one on the chat. Even if it's from one person. If you can hear me now, let me see number one on the chat. If you can hear me now, let me see number one on the chat, please. The network is shaking, that's why. Okay, Kazim. All right. So yeah, the network, this thing today being negative for XAUSD, but BTC USD was volatile. So I've not even checked BTC USD sef, but XAUSD, I took a buy on XAUSD and I make profit this evening. You understand? Since morning it's been going to the downside, but I just stay calm. I stay calm. I took a loss on Euro USD in the morning. So I just stay very, very calm. You understand? Till this evening, I can't see a buy opportunity on gold, so I just enter that buy. Remain small, make it stop me out, but God so kind is reversed to my to reverse in my favor. So I end it in profit, and that is the only thing. That is the trade that push me like that, take me from drawdown this week. I think today is Wednesday. Tomorrow I'll be very, very careful. Next tomorrow I'll be very careful so that I'll end the week in profit, just as I promised myself. So that's it. That's it. That's it. Don't go and overrate. This week is just being brutally like this week. If anybody end this week in profit, then you are a rate trader. That's just it. If you end this week in profit, means you are a rate trader. Means you are very, very means you are good. Oh. If you end this week in profit, means you are good. Means you are good. Means you are good. Means you are good. Yep. Any question? Any question? If you take trade today, let me know. If you take trade today, let me know. If you take trade today, let me know. Kazim, do you take trade today? Abi La Vega Forex, do you take trade today? If you take trade today, let me know. Make I see say no be only me chop sell or no be only me take profit. If you take trade today, let me know. Let me know real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Loud and clear. Okay, that's very great. 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 If you take trade today, let me know. 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 If you take trade today, let me know. So let me try if I can share my screen. Let me try if I can share my screen. Yup. Make I check if the sound is okay. Yup. Make I check. Okay. All right. Make I try share screen so that at least we learn one or two things. Trying to share screen so that we'll learn one or two things. And this is the trade that I caught. He nearly stopped me out. I said, okay, you take trade on Euro USD. So how far? How you go? How the trade go? The one you take on Euro USD, how is it? Do you chop percent or you hit take profit? You know those that two things is normal in trading. SL or take profit is normal in trading. You understand? SL or take profit is normal in trading. That's what you need to know. SL or take profit is normal. If you enter trade, one must be one out of the two must happen. So it's normal. It's either is SL or take profit. Let me see. 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 You see, ba? I for don't make but the one I make is okay for me. The one I make is okay for me. So, greediness no good though. No, don't go be greedy. Don't go and be greedy. Don't be greedy in the market. Share screen, share screen, share screen. Yep, share screen. So should I share screen or not? Should I share screen or not? That that's yours, please, Ofik. I don't understand what this person is writing. But nevertheless, I'm doing what I'm doing here. So this is my screen here, as you can see. This is my screen here, as you can see. Then what am I going to okay? This is my prediction yesterday. But the market, the market, see, if you end this week in profit, means you are an agba trader. You don't know, low key, you are an agba trader. You are an agba trader. If you end this week in profit, this week is being brutally. You get this week is brutal. You understand? So this is what I see on gold before I take that buy. Mm. I come on my chart around, I think, oh boy, hope this thing is not going to mess with my life. So can you guys hear me? Let me check it here. Can you guys hear me? Okay, 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 okay. Very clear, very clear, very clear, very clear. So that's it. This is where I got the trade from. This is exactly where I got the trade from. So I can't enter the trade with small lot size, oh, small lot size, which is 0.02, because the market is very, very volatile. I enter the trade with 0.02 from here. As I see this particular engulfing candle that will that will wound me one day. Immediately I see this engulfing candle, I enter the trade from here. I think from around here like this. Make I carry from this particular candlestick. I enter the trade from here. I check to put my stop loss here because I use 0.02. 0.02. That's what I use. I check to put my stop loss below this particular engulfing candle. Do you know what I see? I see over 50 something dollar. I say, what the heck is this? No, I say no, that's not what I'm trying. I want to risk. Oh. I try manage to risk 30 something dollar. You understand, on the trade. So I bring my stop loss below this particular candlestick. This particular candlestick. I carry my stop loss below this particular candlestick, just like this. So the market come down very, very close. This particular candlestick, this one, this one come down very close to my SL, remain small, make it take me out. So God so kind, he refused to, like, it not touch my this thing, my SL. I said, to thank God. I just leave it till the market come to this resistance level. I make about 80, 80 point something dollar from inside, from this particular trade. I make 80 something dollar. You understand, from this trade. You are going to see the this thing to the video tomorrow. So the market is very, very volatile. Small peep like this, small peep don cover how many, small movement like this don cover how many peep. You understand? So the market is very, very volatile. So just be very careful these days. This week as a whole, be very careful. This week as a whole, be very, very careful. This is where I take out the trade because of this resistance level. And see, I for don make times 4. You understand? But greediness is another thing that will wound person in trading. So I've learned my lesson from being greedy for how many this thing now. So I take I take pass 1 to 2. You understand? Because I risk 30 something dollar and I get 80, is it 80 what sef? Either 80 or something is on my this thing. You guys are going to see the video tomorrow. So this is it. The market is being volatile, but let's do a top down analysis. Let's see what is going to happen tomorrow, because I've been predicting this market since last week that AUD USD, that gold is overbought, that is going to crash. You guys that has been consistent in my trade live section, you guys will testify to that, because I've been predicting it. I say gold is overbought, that is going to crash to the downside. I've been saying this since last week, that gold is overbought, gold is overbought, gold is overbought. And now is happening. This particular candlestick, this is the yesterday candlestick. Do you see how massive we go to the downside? Then this is today candlestick. Today candlestick now is trying to give us a hammer. You understand? Means maybe at least we are going to see a little retracement to the upside before it will go to the downside again. You understand? So if you come to your chart, you see how the overall trend is looking like. You see how, yeah, then you just say daily time frame is looking like. Then you go to your 4 hour time frame, so that you see what the 4 hour time frame is also doing. You understand? So on the 4 hour time frame now, this is where me I'm expecting the market to move from to the upside yesterday. Yesterday that I come to my chart, this is where I'm expecting the market to move from to the upside, but the market break down, take liquidities to the downside. You understand? Then where did it touch? This particular support level, this next support level, this next support level. That's where it come to touch. This next support level, it tap on this particular next support level. Then what exactly are we seeing? Since we are seeing a bullish engulfing candle here, and there is a retracement to the upside, if the market can be able to break above this particular resistance level tomorrow, if the market can be able manage to break above this particular resistance level tomorrow, maybe like this, then we'll see a little retracement to the upside. Maybe it will break above here, retest, then we'll see a push to the upside. You understand? But don't expect much from the market too, because gold is overbought and they don't overhype am. So expect anything. Just all you need, if you are doing anything, let me see what you say. If you are doing anything on the chart, just be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. If you are doing anything on the chart, hey, maybe you are not negotiate of the BTC. No worry, I will check BTC. You understand? I will check BTC. I will check BTC. Quite alright. Just stay calm. I will check BTC. Let's see what BTC is doing. You understand? I will check BTC. So just slow and steady. So if gold can be able to break above this particular resistance level tomorrow, then we'll see a little retracement to maybe to this particular fair value gap. You understand? I've been predicting gold movements, but you guys not listening. You guys not listening. I've been predicting it, but you guys not listening. So if gold can be able to break above this particular resistance level, it will go to this next fair value gap before we'll see another push to the downside. You understand? Before we'll see another push to the downside. This is what I'm expecting on gold. You understand? Then what again? What again? Yeah, this all for now. This all for now. So please, that support level have. Okay, let me see what you see. Let me see what you see real quick. Please, that support level you did mark. Please, can you check JPY? Okay, so I'll check that. I'll check JPY also. Just be calm. I'll check JPY also. I'll check BTC USD. I'll check JPY. That is the two pairs now that we are going into. So this is what I'm expecting on gold. If gold can be able to like break, but I know quite alright, it's going to break above this resistance level. You understand? Because it has break this support level, it will take a little retracement, you understand, to the upside. Then before we see another spike to the downside. This is what I'm expecting on gold. You understand? This is what I'm expecting on gold. So let's check BTC USD before we go to JPY. You understand? Before we go to JPY and USD, JPY and USD JPY. So the next one is BTC USD. BTC USD. I think I predict BTC USD yesterday. Clean and clear. Oh my God. This is what I predict on BTC USD. Can you see? I've not deleted it. Can you see? See, when I predict the market is around this particular support level. You understand? And I said the market will go to this resistance level, tap on the resistance level, then we'll see a push to the upside. Then from here now, from the push now, is either it to come to this support level, then we'll see another push to the upside. But see what the market is doing. The market tap on this particular, it reach this resistance level, tap on the support level, come down this particular one, in this particular candlestick. If you look closely, you see that this candlestick come down to like come down, you understand, this candlestick before it go up, it tap on the support level, of which this is what I mark here. Tap on the support level, and after even tap on the support level, it go to this resistance level, come down again, tap on this particular support level, go to the upside, you understand, to the next resistance level, which is this particular, before we are seeing this push to the downside. But I'll still go to the lower time frame to do a top-down analysis. Then I'll go to daily time frame. Let me see how today candlestick close. If you do anything concerning buy or sell, so that I'll still predict, you understand. But this is my previous prediction. You understand? This is my previous prediction. Had it been you put your buy as I predict the market, if you like, you should take trade on BTC USD and you put your buy order here as I predict it, then maybe your stop loss will be below this particular support level. Then maybe you target 1 to 2, and this is clean 1 to 2. You understand? This is clean 1 to 2 on BTC USD prediction that I do. You understand? Is it 1 to 2 or 1 to 3? This is the support level that I say it will tap on. Immediately it tap on the support level, it go up. See, what I do is I'll just analyze. You understand? If you ask me to analyze any pair, I'll analyze it for you. But I don't take the three pairs that I take trade on is GBP USD, XAUSD, and Euro USD. Those are the three pairs that I take trade on. But any pair at all, I can analyze and give you the direction of the pair. You understand? The market now might move from this particular area to the upside, but I'll first of all go to the higher time frame to analyze it first. That's what I'm going to do. I'll go to the higher time frame to analyze it first. As you can see, this is the previous analysis that I do. I even think the market will come to this particular resistance level. This resistance level here. I think the market will come to this resistance level, but it refused to reach that resistance level before we see this push to the downside, because the market is very, very volatile. You understand? The market is very, very volatile. But this is my prediction. And the prediction, from the look of things, you know that yes, if you follow this prediction, you make money. You understand? You make money. So we are heading to somewhere. That's just it. We are heading to somewhere. We are heading to somewhere, bro. We are heading to somewhere. This is it here. So let me go to the higher time frame. Euro USD versus Euro versus USD, please. I'm coming. See, if you ask question, just stick around. I'm coming to that. It's just one after the other. I'm coming to that. If you ask question, just stick around. Stick around. I'm coming to that. You understand? All the questions, I'm seeing all the questions. You understand? But I'm coming one after the other to the question. You understand? Just stick around. So after the Euro, after the BTC USD, I'll go to GBP JPY and USD JPY. Then after USD JPY, I'll go to Euro USD. So just hold on. Let me be following it one after the other. So if you come on your chart, what I always tell you guys, what I do before I can before I can predict the market right is I'll go to the higher time frame to analyze my charts. You understand? I'll see how today candlestick. Yes, I'll see how yesterday candlestick closed. Then I can predict how today candlestick will move. That's what I do. I'll see how yesterday candlestick close. I'll see how today candlestick will close. Then I'll go to the lower time frame and predict how tomorrow market will move. That is what I do. Just pure chart, just pure naked chart analysis, pure price action analysis, just pure price action. That is what I do. You understand? So this is it here. This is it. 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 As you can see, the market closed bearish. And what you see here, this is a spike to the upside. It refused to reach this particular resistance level before we see this bullish, bearish engulfing candle. So don't expect much buy from BTC USD. these days. You understand? Don't expect much buy from BTC USD these days. As you can see, this particular bearish engulfing candle suppose teach you a lesson. See the same bearish engulfing candle. This bearish engulfing candle is the one that sent the market all the way to this particular area that you are seeing. So this particular bearish engulfing candle is the one that sent the market down to this particular area, to this particular support level. So whenever you see a bearish engulfing candle like this, just expect the next candlestick to close bearish. As you can see, as this particular one closed bearish and e engulf this particular bullish candle, see this one is closing bearish. But what you need to do and how you can maybe take your trade in the lower time frame to maneuver a loss, like to like take a fixed cap and the rest, I'm going to like teach you that one separately. That one, you do that one from your 15-minute time frame. You understand? You do that one from your 15-minute time frame. So I'm going to teach you that one. But first of all, you see how yesterday candlestick close, see how today one is going to close, then you go down to 4-hour time frame. If you go down to 4-hour time frame, then you mark a support and a resistance level. You understand? You mark a support and a resistance level. This is a support level. This is the last swing low. I'll mark this particular area out. Then this is the last swing high. You understand? This is the last swing low and this is the last swing high. You get, right? So what you do now is wait for the market to come to this particular support level, then you wait for your pattern to form, or you wait for your indicator to give you signal, then you enter a buy. You understand, from this particular support level to the upside. Or if you see a break, wait for your, see, if you, before you take any trade, wait for your technical analysis to give you signal. If not, you are going to lose that trade. Don't just take trade because the trade is on a support level. Don't just take trade because the trade is, how am I even going to put it? Don't just take trade because the trade is on a support level. There is something that you need to combine together. Person like me, before I take a buy from a support level, I'll see a W pattern and engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame before I'll take a buy. Then before I'll take a sell from the resistance level, I'll see an M pattern combined with bearish engulfing candle before I'll take a sell. So I don't know the one you are using. So make sure what you always use to take your trade from before you take your trade. That is the only advice that I will give you. Don't just say, yes, the market is on a support level now, let me take a buy. No. Wait for it to give you your signal. Wait for the market to give you what you always look for before you take your buy. You understand? Wait for it. If I want to like take a buy from this particular support level now on BTC USD tomorrow, this is what I'm going to do. I'll switch to lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame. Then I'll wait for the market to come to this particular support level. If the market come to the support level, do you know what I'm going to do? Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to wait for it to like give me, come here, form something like a W pattern. As it come in, I'll wait for it to come, tap on the support level, go up a bit, come again, give me an engulfing candle like this, then I'll enter. You understand? Then I'll enter for a buy. If not, until I see that engulfing candle, I'll not enter for a buy. You understand? That means the market will just do something like that, then break to the downside. You understand? If not, until I see an engulfing candle from a chart, from a support level or a resistance level, I'm not going to take a buy or a sell. That is my own. I don't know the one you use your own. Some people use indicator, some people use trend line, some people use Fibonacci, some people use how is it called, psychological level. Some people use different strategies to take their trade, but my own, I'll wait for a W pattern to form with bullish engulfing candle, then I'll enter. That's just it. So this is what I'm expecting on BTC USD, but don't expect much buy on BTC USD. You understand? Don't expect much buy. Any buy you are doing from BTC USD, let it be a scalp. You understand? Let it be a scalp. You get, so this is exactly what I'm seeing on BTC USD. I'll be expecting the market to come break below this particular support level to the downside, because a lot of people will enter from a buy from here now, from this support level now to the upside, but the market will break to the downside, tap on this particular major support level, make a double bottom, you understand, then give us something like a W pattern from here, then before we see any buy to the upside, you understand. This is what I'll be expecting. Clean and clear, simple as that. I don't know the one you use your own, but this is exactly what I use. You get. So the next question is the next question. Please, that support level you didn't mark it. I don't understand. Ola, I don't understand this your question. So this one again, this one, please, can you check JPY USD abi GBP JPY? Okay, GBP JPY and USD JPY. Okay, let me just check that real quick. Ola, let me see what you say. But there is a minor support before that major support. That minor support, that is where they are going to grab their liquidity. That is where people will enter for a buy. You understand? Then the market will spike down to the major support level. You understand? A lot of retail traders will buy from that minor support level that you are seeing. You understand? Then the market will break to the major support level, then take a move to the upside. You know, the market move with liquidity now. It will grab enough liquidity before it will move. The market will, like, being on that minor support level, consolidate, make a lot of people think it will buy from there. Then they will put a lot of, once they see a lot of buy order from there, then it will just spike to the downside, touch on the major support level before it will spike to the upside. That is the only thing they do. That is what they always do. Confirm, boss. That's great. So Ikemefuna, let me check GBP and GBP for you real quick. Time no dey. No, I don't spend one now, but there's no problem, sha. GBP okay, this is it here. GBP e be like say I don analyze on this particular pair before. The analysis, you see analysis wey I do on GBP, e don even tey wey I do this analysis. More una dey joke with me. E don tey wey I do this analysis. Let me go to higher time frame first and see how e play out. Man. Do you see this? Oh my God. See, this is where I'm targeting. No, the market have not yet come to this particular JPY gap. You understand? But I predict this market when the market is around this particular area. I know they check all these pair frequently because I know I don't take trade on them. You understand? So I will analyze it. You understand? I analyze for people who need technical analysis. You understand? I analyze it. So this is what I predict on it for before. This is it. I say the market will move from here to this particular fair value gap, then we'll see a push to the downside. Then what do you see? The market come to the fair value, move to this particular fair value gap, then come down a bit, take out, go to this next resistance level, you understand? Then, and I say if the market break above this particular fair value gap, then it will tap on this particular resistance level. Then before we see a push to the downside, then that downside that I'm targeting is this particular area. You understand? So I'm going to clean all these things now so that if you are not a swing trader, you cannot follow it this way. Had it been you are a swing trader and you take your trade from here all the way to this particular place, do you know how many people you will catch? Let me first of all let me delete this particular one. We'll do a fresh analysis now. Had it been you are a swing trader and you take your trade from here, when I analyze the trade, maybe your stop loss is below this particular area, your 1 to 2 is clean. You understand? Your 1 to 2 is clean. Clean 1 to 2. You understand? On GBP You understand? So this is what I'm seeing on GBP I'm going to like clean everything now. Then I will still do a technical analysis for you. But do you know the major problem is my own way of taking trade is different from what I use to confirm my trade. Like if I come to a chart and I see a signal for buy, I'll just take a buy. Quick, clean and clear. Like had it been and I take trade on GBP immediately if I come to this particular trade and I see this particular engulfing candle, see that the market is coming down like this and this particular close and engulf it on the 15-minute time frame from this particular support level, I'll just enter for a buy immediately. You understand? This is the support level. You understand? Had it been the market, had it been I trade this particular pair and I see that yes, the market is approaching this particular support level and I see a spike to the upside close above this particular two bearish candlestick, I'll just enter from the next candle. Then target 1 to 2. That is what I always target, 1 to 2. Maybe the next candlestick like this, my stop loss will be below here. Then I'll target 1 to 2. Target 1 to 2 and 1 to 2 is clean. This is 1 to 2 here. You understand? This is 1 to 2. So clean. Had it been you dey use like but you cannot use my strategy because there is a psychology behind every strategy. There is a psychology behind every strategy. That's what people don't know. There is a psychology behind every strategy. So you have to build your own and build like very, very strong emotion without your own. You understand? Your own strategy. So I'll go to daily time frame. Let's see how today candlestick close. The market is like have not yet filled this particular gap. That is my major problem. So no matter what the market do, this particular gap must be filled. But if you are a trader, this one will not stop you from taking trade. You will not wait until you come to this particular gap before you take your trade. No, there's supposed to be a signal for you on the lower time frame to be taking your trade. You understand? See, this is yesterday candlestick. It closed and it engulfed this particular pin bar. You understand? Then this particular hammer now give you a sign from how many days ago? Is it since last week Friday that the market is going to the next resistance level? You understand? Maybe this is what the market is going to do. From my own technical analysis, this is what the market is going to do. This is exactly what the market is going to do. It will go up, form something like what BTC USD form. You understand? Then break to the downside. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting. Understand? But inside this particular thing, a lot of things will still happen because this is daily time frame. If you go to 4-hour time frame, you'll see support and resistance level tire. You understand? You mark your support and resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. You get, then be waiting for your strategy to play out on that particular resistance level. You understand? There is a resistance level here, but this resistance level, if the market come to this resistance level, there is a fair value gap at this particular area. The market will like try to tap on this particular fair value gap. You understand? Before we see any push to the downside, if the market will like move like this, tap on this particular fair value gap, then move to the downside. You understand? We'll see that the market will break above all this resistance level, tap on this particular fair value gap before we'll see a push to the downside. You understand? This is what I'm looking out for on GBP. You understand? But in a short period of time, this is what I'm looking out for on GBP. As the market is moving up now like this, it will tap on this particular fair value gap. There is a fair value gap up here that the market have not tapped on. You understand? So the market now will like maybe go slow and steady. Then whenever I tap on this particular fair value gap, it will take an aggressive move to the downside. This is what I'll be expecting. Or it will go and make a double top. You understand? Make a clean double top here before you see a break to the downside. But what I'm seeing is that the market will come to this particular gap before we see any push. The market will come to this gap before we see any push to the upside. So this is what I'm saying. But you can be taking your buy and your sell, you understand, from a support and a resistance level on the 4 hour time frame, then switch to the lower time frame, then you are good to go. You understand? Then you are good to go. There's it. So I'll be waiting for more questions. I'll be waiting for more questions. I'll be waiting for more questions from you. Expect a sell from this particular support resistance level. You understand? Expect a sell. Yeah, you understand. That's very great. Expect a sell. You understand? Expect a sell from that particular resistance level. Expect a sell, but the market will buy from that gap that it creates. So expect a sell. What again? What again? What again? Which one? Which one? Which one? Euro USD, please. Okay. So let's go to Euro USD, and that is my pair. So we are going to break it down. Let's break Euro USD down. Let's break Euro USD down. Mm. E don start. E don start. O ti lọ. E don start. O ti lọ. I do this analysis. E get one guy that is doubting me. Oh my God. Oh. E get one guy that is doubting this analysis that I've been doing since last week. E get one guy, I for know am for screenshot that guy name. Make I call am out here. I say the market will come to this particular support level. This is a major support level. I say the market will come to this particular support level. But what the market will do from this support level, let me expand it so that you guys will see it very clear. If you have been participating on my live stream, you will see. Why don't you always use, make I see what you are saying? Make I see what you are saying, bro. 1 hour. No, I know they to use 1 hour because I do my analysis from daily time frame. Then after I see the direction of the market from the daily time frame, I'll go to 4 hour time frame. If I mark a support and resistance level for 4 hour time frame, then I'll go to 15-minute time frame. Those are the three major time frame that I use. Now, why I know they to use 1 hour? You understand? Those are the three major time frame that I use. Confirm the direction of the market from the daily time frame, come to 4 hour time frame to mark a support and resistance level, then wait for my entry from a 15-minute time frame. You understand? Those are the time frame that I use. But there is one guy who is doubting me that why if the market, like he said, what if the market move from this particular support level? And I told him that the market cannot, there is no way that Euro USD will move from this particular support level. Why there is a fair value gap down here? I've been doing this analysis when the market was moving from here to the was around this particular resistance level. You understand? I said the market. See, you guys should go to my previous live when I do analysis. You understand? Then you come to this particular. You guys will see the authentic. As the market tap on this particular see, oh God, I don't know how to express this thing. Oh my goodness, you guys need to give me my flower. Search for flower on your emoji. Search for flower and be dropping it for me now. Search for flower and be dropping me. Drop flower for 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 me. No easy. Drop flower for me. I'm waiting for your flower. I'm waiting for a flower. I'm waiting for your flower. Drop flower for me. I told you guys, Euro USD, I know how it's work. I've been studying Euro USD for the past 2 years now. You understand? I've been studying Euro USD for the past 2 years. I know how it works. I told you guys that Euro USD will not move up from this particular support level. I know this is a major support level, but it will never move up from here. Why there is a fair value gap here? As you can see, the market tap on this particular fair value gap and give a bullish engulfing candle. And when you see a bullish engulfing candle, what exactly are you expecting again? What again are you expecting? This is what we are expecting. The market, oh God, the market tap on this particular fair value gap that have marked for long. Network go just dey fake fail up and down, up and down, up and down. What is this? um Dis thing just dey pain me now like this. Network go just dey fail. So sorry guys, na my network o. I don't know what to do. I don't know. My flower is here, my flower is here, my flower is here. My flower is here. Make I check if the net if the sound is well. My flower is here. Alright. My flower is here, my flower is here. Thank you. Thank you. Omo na fire. My flower is here. Which one you send for me? Is it laptop? I don't know. Oh. My flower is here. Omo. Sure. Okay, yeah. My flower is here. My flower is here. So I predict the market and is like e follow exactly because do you know why I know how to do analysis very, very well on Euro USD. That is the reason why I always tell you guys that stick to one particular pair and master it. Then later you can expand. You understand? You see Euro USD, I know how Euro USD work. You understand? I know that if the market come to this particular support level, people will buy from here. A lot of people will buy from this particular support, put their stop loss below the support level. And what the market will do, it will spike to the downside before we'll see a spike to the upside. You understand? So this is exactly what it's going to do now. Euro USD, all the downtrend that you have been seeing, e don complete wetin e come do for down. You understand? E don complete exactly wetin carry am come down now, e don complete am. This is the fair value gap e come down to tap on, not this particular support level. This particular support level sef, e no even mind am. This is because e know, you know say this market move with liquidity. You understand? Dem know say yes, if they come here, there will be enough of liquidity because people will buy from here, put their stop loss below the support level, then they will grab that liquidity, then the market will tap on the fair value gap. Whenever you are seeing that, whenever a market make a double bottom, whenever a market make a double bottom and as it's moving to the upside, let me see what you say. How do we know there is a fair value gap? Fair value gap is very, very clean. Then you need to study your chart very well. Then and I do analysis every time. You understand? But let me show you what fair value gap. See, let me show you what fair value gap look like. Let me show you what fair value gap look like. Okay, let me hide everything now. Let me hide all the drawing. Okay, as you can see the market move. Shey you are seeing my Ola, if you are seeing my screen very clean and you are hearing my voice very clean, drop something so that I'll show you what fair value gap look like on the chart. Very, very quick. You need to know what fair value gap look like, and you need to know when market give a support level and move up. Stop. I will teach you guys something on the chart now like this. Let me know if you are hearing me very clear. I'll be waiting for you. I'm just quietly waiting for your response. Let me know if you are hearing me clean and clear so that I will show you what fair value gap look like and the manipulation market always do to clear liquidity. I don't know who is the guy that is doubting that this analysis that day, but now maybe if he check his chart now, he'll know he is right or he is wrong. I've not suffer all these years on the chart to come and be doing nonsense again. No. Ola, if you are hearing me very clear and if your network no good, I'll continue. If you are hearing me very clear, just let me know. Okay, you are hearing me. Okay, that's very great. You are hearing me. So let me show you what the chart look like now. What fair value gap look like. See, as the market make double bottom here. Let me expand it. Okay. As the market make double bottom, this is first touch, this is second touch. You understand? See this impulsive move on the 4-hour time frame. This impulsive move, you see this gap between here and this particular candlestick is the fair value gap. You understand? This gap, the gap between here and here is the fair value gap. You understand? That's what they call fair value gap. Had it been the market, if not because like as the market take the impulsive move back, there's supposed to be a little retracement to come and fill the fair value gap, but the market move up. Do you know why the market move up? E move up because e know that people will set a buy limit, you understand, a buy limit around this particular consolidation. As you can see, if you switch to your lower time frame, this particular 1 to 3, this 3 candlestick on the 4-hour time frame is a lot of there's a lot of consolidation and is a support level. You understand? Is around this particular area, around this area. All this area is a support level. You understand? All this area is a support level. So there is a fair value gap that the market leave behind here. So whenever the market come to this particular support level, it will consolidate small. You understand? When it consolidates, it will pick People will enter for a buy thinking the market will move up. This is the consideration e do here. You understand? This is the exact consideration e do here. Let me go to another Euro USD and give you a clean example of what I'm saying. Okay, I'm using this particular one, right? Let me go to this one. If I go to this one, oh, it's still the same thing. No, it's still the same thing. But I need to like show you what the market. Oh my God, I don't know. But let me still hide it. Let me still hide everything. But are you getting what I'm saying? Are you getting the difference between, are you getting the fair value gap? If you are getting the fair value gap, let me see a reaction from you. If it's only you that is getting it, if it's only yourself on the live stream now that is getting this particular value, I'm okay. Ola, are you getting the difference between are you getting how the market create a fair value gap now? If you are getting the way market create fair value gap, let me know. The distance between the gap between this particular candlestick and this particular candlestick is the fair value gap that I always talk about. You understand? The distance from here to this particular area is the fair value gap that I always talk about, that I always preach about. And do you know what the market do? Whenever the market create this type of fair value gap, it will consolidate before it move to the upside. And when it consolidate before it move to the upside, let me see if if what I'm saying is clear. Okay, it's clear, it's clear. Okay, this is it here. Once it consolidate around this particular area, confirm my boss. Okay, once it consolidates, once it give this impulsive move to the upside, it will consolidate, leave a fair value gap. The fair value gap is the distance between this particular candlestick and this particular candlestick. So it will consolidate here, move to the upside. Then when the market is coming down to fill the fair value gap, people will think the market will come to this particular support level and move up. You understand? But this is what the market will do. It will come to this particular support level. Just look from here now to this particular area. As you can see, the market come to this particular support level and create consolidation. You understand? As you can see, the market come to this particular support level and create consolidation. If you are getting me, let me be seeing reaction from you. If you are getting me, let me be seeing reaction from you. As the market come to this particular support level, e consolidates this 1 2 3, this 1 2 3 4 candlestick is a consolidation. You understand? For people to think that the market will move from here now to the upside. You understand? But what do you see? The market go down. You understand? To tap on this particular gap. You understand? The market move down from the support level, from where it give this bullish candlestick. You understand? It moved down. I lower my voice so that you understand me very well. So the market moved down to fill the gap. You understand? As the market move down to fill the gap, do you see any consolidation from this particular fair value gap? No, there is no consolidation from this particular fair value gap again. That is the place that I mark out, that the market will consolidate around this particular area, then it will go to the downside, tap on this particular fair value gap, then we'll see a spike to the upside. Okay, as you can see now that the market want to take the right move now, this candlestick and this particular candlestick, shey you see that there is an impulsive move here. In this particular candlestick, there is an impulsive move. Why the market no continue dey go to the upside? Is because e no want to leave any fair value gap again, because there is nothing is coming to do for downside again. So e no wan leave any fair value gap. That is the reason why the market is retracing down after this impulsive move. As the market come to this particular fair value gap, e no wait for anybody to enter again, because already it has grabbed the liquidity e need to move to the upside. That is why you see this bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame. Do you get? Ah, ah. So e come down, e no wan leave any fair value gap again. That is the reason for this particular retracement that you are seeing here. The market no wan leave any fair value gap again. So let me on the drawing that the drawing wey I do from over 1 week ago now. Let me on it now. Shey you understand? If you understand, write understood. This my battery wan go down finish and na this battery now dey use confirm whether my voice is out or not. If you understand, just write understood so that I will on everything. If you understand, just write understood. If you understand, just write understood. Then we'll move ahead. Ahead we'll go. No stopping. If you understand, just write I understood. Then we'll move ahead. Then I'll show you the drawing. Then what I've been waiting for since. Well done, sir. Okay, that's great. That's great. Means you understand. So now I'm going to on all the drawing that I've done. I've do before. Okay, make I on am now so that you see the example. Understood. That's very great. Okay, see what I mark out. See exactly what I mark out now. Do you see what I mark out? From when the market is around this particular area, that is when I'll be preaching about this particular fair value gap. And it's since then that I mark this that I put this buy order, a buy limit. Since then that I put this buy limit. Since the market is on this particular resistance level, it's since then that I've been preaching about this gap that the market leave. You understand? Now since then, since this place, na since then I dey preach about this particular gap the market leave, and I mark it out. I say the market must come to this particular support level. A lot of people will buy from this support level thinking the market will move up from this particular support level. Then what the market will do, it will spike to the downside. After it come to the downside, it will not wait for anybody, it will not consolidate for people to enter again, it will just spike to the upside. This is 4 hour time frame. Do you see the move it take to the upside? Now it's coming down to like at least you don't want to leave any gap again, you understand? So that whenever it move to the upside, it will either continue its movement to the upside or it will move from here now to the next resistance level before we take any other decision. Now the market is ready to move to the upside. Mark my word. Mark my word, the market is ready now to move to the next resistance level. Just mark my word. No matter how up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down you do, it's ready now to move to the next resistance level. Whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle like this, just enter. I will enter this trade now on my 10K account. You understand? Then delete. That 10K account is not on my MT5, but this after this live video, I will log into that my 10K account. I'll enter this particular trade now, put my stop loss below this particular engulfing candle. This engulfing candle, I will just take that trade as a swing trade, and I'll show you guys the results. Do you get? I will take this particular trade now on my 10K account. You understand? You know, I'm trading with my 25K account now. I want to like take it from drawdown, but that 10K account, I'm going to like take this particular trade on that particular 10K account. Then I'll come and show you guys the result. You understand now, ba? I'll come and show you guys the result. There is no way, no any manipulation will push the market below this particular engulfing candle that you are seeing. Is what I've been studying for long. I tell you say na since 2021, November 2021, I start forex trading, and since then me and the chart back to back. me and the chart back to back. You understand? Me and the chart back to back. So I will enter this trade from here immediately today before the market close sef. Maybe the market will close around 10, then another one will open. If it open, I'll wait for a little retracement, then I'll enter. But my stop loss will be below this particular engulfing candle. You understand? Then I'll come and show you guys the result. What I'll target will be more than 1 to 5. I'll target more than 1 to 5 on this particular trade. Then I'll show you guys the result. You think it's a joke? I'll show you guys the result so that you know that yes, the knowledge I'm coming to give you guys here is not is a premium knowledge. Is a premium knowledge that even me myself, I'll come in times to come, and I'll be proud of myself that yes, I did this. You understand? I'm going to take this particular trade. So tell me another trade that I'm going to analyze for you. This is exactly what you have analyzed this thing for long, and this is exactly what Euro USD is going to do. Nothing more than this. It has taken the move already and it's going to the next resistance level. And this resistance level is not going to hold it. You understand? It will just come to this resistance level, retrace back a bit, then go to the next resistance level. That except if there is a major news, you understand, on US, from US, you understand, before you see any, except there is a fundamental news now that will affect this particular market. If not fundamental, from technical analysis, say this particular candle, say the trade go below, is a lie. Is a lie. And I'll take the trade and I'll come and show you guys here. Tell me another pair so that I'll analyze for you. Tell me another pair. Tell me another pair. And this is exactly what the market is going to do. If you want to take the trade with me, take it as a swing trade. Take it and forget about the trade. If you have two accounts, take it with one of your accounts. Even if na demo account, just take it and confirm my analysis. Simple. That is exactly what I want from you. Take the trade and confirm my analysis on the demo account. Open demo account this night. Take the trade. Use demo account. Take the trade. You understand? And confirm my analysis on Euro USD. You understand? Take the trade. Use demo account. Take a trade. Yeah, take this particular trade. I'm going to take it on my fundedness account, that 10K account. Then I'll hold it till I'll not get anything less than 1 to 5 on this trade. I'll not get anything less than 1 to 5, 1 to 5 RR from this trade. And this is where my stop loss will be, below this engulfing candle. Just, if you want to do the same thing, just do it and test me. Test the VFX. The VFX. Test am. No be child name. Let me go to USDJPY. USDJPY. Oh yeah, now let's go. USDJPY will do the same thing. It's same analysis on with JPY. They always work the same way. You understand? Just like GBP and Euro USD. So once you don't do your analysis, so as Euro USD is going to buy like this, that is how GBP USD is going to buy. You understand? So Euro USD and GBP USD they are like brothers and sisters. GBP JPY and USD JPY, they are like brothers and sisters. But let me still go and analyze it for you. You understand? But first of all, let me show you what GBP JPY is doing. Then we'll go to the Euro USD JPY. Then you compare their movement. You will know say yes, they move almost the same way. You understand? You will know say they move almost the same way. Okay, this is the GBP JPY, ba? This is GBP JPY. Let's go to USD JPY. Let's go to USD JPY. USD. Okay, this is it here. Share you see. Share you see. Do you see? You see exactly what I tell you, ba? They almost that, like they work the same. You see that there is a gap on GBP JPY and there is a gap on USD JPY. You understand? You see that the market take impulsive move from this particular support level on GBP JPY. You see that the market take impulsive move on USD JPY from this particular support level. Okay, let me go to the JPY again so that you confirm something again, so that you see that yes, so that if you dey do your analysis here, you dey compare with this one, then you know what you are doing. Maybe that is the two pair that you are trading, just the way I'm trading Euro USD and GBP USD, the XA USD. I don't know, but if you are trading those two pair, just know that they always work hand to hand. They always work mostly the same way. You understand? It might not be purely the same way, but almost the same way, almost. Okay, let's go to JPY so that you see, so that you confirm what I'm telling you. This is JPY. Okay, you see the impulsive move from the support level screenshot this particular one now, screenshot this particular one now. Let's go to USD JPY. Ola, are you understand? Are you understand? Screenshot this particular one. Let's go to USD JPY. Let's go to USD JPY. You will know say yes, they almost work the same way. USD JPY. This is USD JPY. You understand? This is USD JPY. You get? This is USD JPY. So same analysis that I do on GBP JPY, that is the same analysis I'm going to do on USD JPY, because they work hand to hand. You understand? They work hand to hand. This is it here. This is the gap I'm targeting. Just as I always say, this is the gap. If not until the markets come and fill this gap, omo, nothing will sup. E no go far. E no go far until e come fill this gap. Tap on this particular gap, the market will go. Maybe as it's going to this resistance level now, you understand, as the market is up. Thank you. So as the market is approaching this resistance level now, you understand, as the market is approaching this resistance level now, it will go to this resistance level, then maybe form something like an M pattern, then move down. You understand? It might not move straight like this, so maybe to like go like this, come like this, come to the next resistance level, come like this, because it will be looking for liquidity up and down, up and down. If not, the market will have come down to hit this particular this thing. If not, because of liquidity, the market is looking for up and down, so that it will like, now liquidity they make the market move. So it's looking for liquidity up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, so that it will like take it to this particular right place that I need to like. This is the work of USD JPY to do, to fill this gap. It is its responsibility to fill this gap before it will take any move to the upside. You understand? Before it will take any move to the upside, this is what it needs to do. But it's looking for enough liquidity. Without liquidity, it will not move. You understand? Without liquidity, it will not move. That is why you see say the market will create inducement spike. Sometimes do up and down, take people out. Sometimes your analysis go dey very correct. You understand? Your analysis, your prediction go dey very correct, but you will see say the market will stop you out before it will go in your direction. Na liquidity dey look for, no be their fault. Na wetin dey move the market be that. Na liquidity the market dey look for. Na wetin dey move am be that, nothing more than that. So it's same analysis on USD GBP JPY that this is same thing I'm still expecting on USD JPY. USD JPY will come down to this particular gap to fill the gap before we see any impulsive move to the upside. Good day, sir. Good day. How you doing? How you doing? Thank you. You are here already. Destiny, hello, you are here already. You are here, you are here. We have almost spent close to 2 hours already. 6 minutes, less than 6 minutes now to 2 hours. And you guys are, some of now just they come. But drop your question, shall drop your question. Let's go. Aggressively active. See, this your aggressively active, now they ginger you fast. And you know they come on time. You know they come on time. But please, 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 I said a lot of things when I start this live stream. So please repeat the live stream after we finish. Go back to the live stream and rewatch it. I said a lot of things, you understand, that you are going to pick, that you are going to learn from. You understand? But I said a lot of things that you are going to learn from. So please, it's data. Oh. I understand. I understand. It's hard. I understand. It's hard. Sometimes, make I tell you, I dey spend up to 10 gig sometimes. So I dey consume 12 gig sometimes in a day, in a single day like this. I dey consume 10 gig. If you don't know, if you don't know, sometimes like this. Today, let me see today so far how many gig I don consume. Maybe you guys will see it on the this thing. Okay, today so far, this is, if you can see it, if you can see if you can see it, let me wide the screen so that you can see it very clear. Make you see how many gig I don consume. I don consume 6.36 gig today. As of today, this is it. You see it very clear now. Today 6.36 gig today, data that I have used today. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. This is the total of data I don consume today, and I not do anything serious today. Oh, you understand? I never do anything serious today. I don consume 6 gig, 6.36 gig today. 6.36 gig. I tell you, sometimes anytime I upload enough video and I do enough research on online, you will see that I will consume up to 12 gig sometimes. 12 gig. So is everybody. They are all, see, to be consis ten t sef is very expensive. You understand? So that's the reason why you need side hustle. That's the reason why you need side hustle. To be consis ten t is very, very expensive. Today now I've spent 6 point something gig. Do you know how much is 6 point something gig? Do you know how much I subscribe a month? My monthly subscription will shock you. My monthly subscription go shock you now. Hele. I never finish live stream. Oh. Live stream dey still dey, okay, as I dey talk now, that 6.36 wey I show you now don enter 6.38. You understand? So I dey consume data. I dey consume a lot of data. As I dey consume for this phone now, so I dey consume for this phone again. Na only my laptop I dey hotspot using this phone. You understand? Na why sometimes e dey go 12 gig like this straight. 12 gig straight. 12 gig straight. Why this one searching? Na you I dey use check if my voice is auto. Why are you shaking? Is there any problem? Abi data don finish? I make I hotspot you too. So are you guys hearing me? If you are hearing me, let me see a reaction from you, please. If you are hearing, let me see a reaction. Let me make I hotspot this particular one too, so that because e be like say e don dey do score. Maybe the data there don finish sef. I don't know. E don come up. I dey use am confirm if my sound is. Yap. So okay, you are hearing, you are following. Yeah, bro. So it is just try get a side hustle. If you don't have a side hustle, you can aggressively hearing you. Guy, you and this aggressive. E be like say na you come give me that name. Okay now, okay now, okay now, okay now. I'm here. So any question, you come late to just ask question so that we'll rub mind together. Don't forget to go and watch the video from the beginning because that is where the real knowledge is. You understand? Rewatch this particular live because that's where the real knowledge is. You understand? So that you calm down in your trading journey. You see every one of you who attend my live stream, you guys are going to be profitable by fire by force. By fire by force. You guys, I'll be bringing updates that will be open your mind. You understand? Waiting I talk from the beginning of this live section now will open your mind well. Will open your mind well. Let me see. Yeah. You open your mind. You open your mind. So you just after the live session, just go back and see. You understand? And still rewatch. I'm waiting for questions. I'm waiting. I don't spend 2 hours already. I cannot go now. See, I can go now. I don't spend 2 hours already. But some people they get chance in the night, like from 10 upwards for past 8 o'clock. Some people they get chance during that kind 10, 11. You understand? Now when some of them are the day active, but I understand you need to work. You need to work. So I'm waiting for your question. Waiting for your question. Yeah, waiting for your question. All right, make I see, make I see, make I see. So, as of the last currency pair you analyze, the thing played out perfectly and clean when I open my trading view today. Okay. Shey you yourself you don you thank God you always dey active on my trading on my live section. You can testify to my analysis. That's very great. That's very great. That's very, very great. You understand? That's very, very great. Mm. That's very, very great. That is very, very great. You can testify to my analysis. You can testify to my analysis. Somebody is here who is constant. Like I just na me just choose to dey give the value. You understand? Una need that value. Una need somebody who go dey open una eye to all these things. This thing no dey work overnight. E takes time. You understand? It takes time. 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 It takes a lot of time, bro. So na you now go just dey patient. You understand? If you watch the video, if you rewatch the video, you go know. See, you go know say yes, one day you be profitable. This game no be game where you suppose quit. You understand? This game no be game where you go quit. No quit am. No, don't quit forex for anything. Instead, quit other thing for forex. Don't quit forex for anything at all. Don't quit forex for anything. Thank you very much. I appreciate my brother. Appreciate, appreciate. It's a pleasure, bro. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. And since I started with you, I have not blown at. That's very great too. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's very great. That's very great. Thank you so much. Thank you. And just be very like stick to your strategy, stick to what you are doing. See, you are going to be profitable if you are constantly coming and be grabbing the knowledge. You are going to be profitable. There is something I talk about Harvey and Jeffrey Benson in the starting of this particular live stream. See, man, just take your time when you have time. You understand? Take your time and watch the video and rewatch this particular live. You go understand. These people, they don't start the game for the past how many years, you understand, and now they reign. And some of us, they look up to them, say God when, God when. It takes time. They happen overnight. God will help us. Just pray to God so that nothing will make you quit. Then just get a side hustle, because all of them, they get high side hustle that is sponsoring their trading this thing journey. You understand? Just get side hustle and be patient. Study your strategy back to back to back to back. As of last 5 years, Happy Forex is using 0.05, 0.02, 0.01. But now Happy is like using 100 standard lot size. So you too, we are going to use that 100 standard lot size in times to come. Just keep calm and keep building. Keep calm and keep building. You understand? Then stick to your strategy. Don't rush. Don't rush. Had it been the rush, they will not reach this level that we are looking up to them. Now why me I know the rush? You understand? Now why me man I know the rush? You understand? But now why me man I know the rush? I know they rush anything. No. No, 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 not at all. I'm not rushing anything. So drop your question, drop your question, drop your questions, drop your questions. Let me see, make a share screen. Oh, I don't go remove and move. Okay, add. Okay. Yep. Add back, add back. Hey, now wow. Hey. Voila. Yep. Man, yeah. This is great. Drop your question. I'm watching your questions. Yep. So when did you started trading, please? I want to know. I start trading late 2021. That is late November 2021. That is when somebody introduced me to trading. Person wey no even know anything about trading, na him introduce me to trading. You know say na friend dey lead friend to wetin go come wreck friend down. If not, I for don build my house. But I overlose, but I appreciate the knowledge. You understand? Na since 2021 o, since November 2021, late November 2021, that is when I started forex trading. Since November 2021, that is when I started forex trading. Na since 2020. You understand? Na consis ten cy na im make me come get dis knowledge o, no be any other thing. Na consis ten cy make me get the knowledge wey you dey see today, no be any other thing. No be say I go come on my chart today, next till the next one week I no go come. I come on my chart every blessed day. You know say trading get spirit ba? Trading get spirit. except if you don't, maybe if you are not, see, I don't just know, but just be very, very consistent with your chart and everything. You are good to go. Be very, very consistent. I started forex trading in 2021. I've spent 2021, 2022, 23, 24, 25, 4 complete November this year. It will be completely 4 years. I'll be completely be 4 years inside trading. You understand? November this year, I'll be 4 years complete. November this year, I'll be 4 complete years inside trading. Let me see. But the money when you don get plenty pass the one wey you don lose. Abi dey play, e never you dey ask question o. See, e never reach wetin I don lose o. E never reach wetin I don lose. You dey whine me? E never reach wetin I don lose o. Money wey I lose for trading, I never get am back o. You dey whine? How you you no dey live dat day wey I tell una say I lose 1,970 something dollar. You no dey live. E be like say you no dey on live video dat day. Hello, Ahmed. You are just coming. Look at you. You are just coming. You are just coming. You are welcome. How was the daily activity today? How was the daily activity today, Ahmed? How was the daily activity today? Hope Nigeria no too stress you. How was the daily activity today? I'll be waiting for more questions from you guys. Make I see. No need to sorry, my brother. You come early. No worry. Although we have spent about 2 hours 11 minutes already, we have done so many things already, but you still come early. You can ask your question. You understand? But what you gone. You like this. I want you to watch this particular video from the beginning. Anytime you have chance, just watch it from beginning. I talk a lot of things that you learn from inside, because say you reach out to me on WhatsApp now. So I talk a lot of things that you learn from the beginning of this particular live stream. You understand? Anytime you have chance, just watch the video. You understand? Watch this particular, rewatch it. You understand a lot of things. You understand why you will not give up. You understand? You go understand why you will not give up. You go understand why you go dey you go understand why you go still be profitable trader. You understand? How you used to mark your zone. So means I'm still going to show you. But shey you understand wetin I talk? If you have chance, just anytime you have chance in your, anytime you have chance, this particular video, just save am. You understand? But save am, then watch am from the beginning. Maybe watch am like that kind 30 to 1 hour. You understand? So that you go understand everything I talk there. You understand? But I vex talk that thing because na research wey some people no dey do, na make dem dey feel like to give up. If you dey do research, dey see old life of this our mentor wey we dey look up to, you will never think of quitting forex trading no matter what. So if you watch the video from the beginning, you go understand. If you watch the video from the beginning, you go understand. But maybe after the live section, if you have time, you just come back to the video and watch it. That does it. Understand? Yup. So I'll show you how I mark my zone. You understand? I'll show you how I mark my zone. Let me do that real quick. So I'll go to another pen now. All right, that's very great. That's very great. That's very, very great. Thank you. Today on self go bust your head. The way I start today on ba, e go bust your head because e get one research wey I still go do today, wey I talk about am well, well, well today, so that at least e go dey ginger any struggling forex trader. You understand? Then so that e go dey ginger any struggling forex trader. But my advice is don't over risk. Make sure you just take it slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady, and you are good to go. You understand? Today on, I break today on down to pieces because I went to like after having make this thing $1.5 million on a straight today. E get one research wey I go do. Dat research go shock you. The kind of account size wey I bin dey trade last 5 years go shock you. Watch the video make you see. What? Hmm. That's very great. That's very great. That's what I love. That's what I love. I love it when you get like you get better. You understand? I love it when you get better and better and better, and that is my prayer. You'll be getting better and better and better. That's my prayer. Mhm. You'll be getting better, 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 better. That's my prayer. You never start to, since you have joined this community, you don't finish with that. Because all I will try to be doing is to be bringing the real thing. All my videos will be for struggling. See, if you dey here and you know say you are a profitable trader already, this video is not for you. You understand? If you dey here and you know say you are a profitable, you are not struggling like us, this video is not for you. Me, I pass the struggling phase, but I'm here for people who are passing through a lot in this forex trading. I'm here to tell them the truth. I'm here to tell them how to manage their risk. I'm here to tell them how to take it slow and steady. I'm here to tell them how to not rush anything. You understand? So if you are here and you know that yes, you don't pass this level, then the video is not for you. That is just the plain truth. That's just the plain truth. Just that I was trading cent account. Continue with that. Continue with that. That is where you build your this thing, your psychology. You understand? That is where you build your trading psychology. That is where you build your trading mentality. That is where you build this thing. How is it called? Eh, that is where you build trust around your trading this thing strategy. Make sure you get trading strategy. You understand? Make sure, I think I'll show, make I show my face. Make I show my face. What I'm saying about him is that make sure you stick to that cent account. You understand? Stick to that cent account. Even if na demo account, stick to that demo account. You understand? Till you build your strategy. You understand? Make sure you find something that always happen on the chart. You understand? Ba? Wait, oh, this thing is lacking behind. I want to know if okay, okay, okay. Yeah, it's working. So make sure you stick to this your set account. You understand? Then Make sure you build your strategy very very strong from the cent account. Make sure you build your psychology very strong from the cent account. Make sure you stick to your trading plan from the cent account before you fund any bigger account or before you buy a proper account, you understand, so that you will not be wasting money into broker again, you understand. Enough is enough for wasting money to brokers. And the level you are now, no be level where you go pay person money to learn forex again, you understand. You don experience the whole thing, you don know how forex dey work, you don know how forex person dey lose money inside forex, you don know how person dey like what people dey pass through inside forex. All you need now is somebody that will be like gingering you slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady, so that you be consis ten t. Somebody that will be giving you hope that yes, one day you are going to be profitable. And it's true, because all these our forex traders, all these our mentors, have studied them over and over and over again, you understand. They didn't just start like this. The thing did not happen overnight, you understand. All you are seeing, the result you are seeing today did not happen overnight. So don't watch their present lifestyle, go to their old video. Even the old video that you suppose learn from sef, they have delete most of them, you understand. But from my top research, I can be able to like get some of the things to come and teach you guys here, you understand. Don't pay anybody to learn forex, but what you need to do is don't over risk. Because if you waste all your money in the process of learning, if you get the right knowledge now, money no go dey for you to trade again, you understand. Do you get? If you get the right knowledge, money no go dey again to trade. If you are pursuing profit when you start forex trading, when you come finally get your your strategy right, your mentally this thing right, your everything right, you no go come get money to fund again, you understand. So just take am slow and steady, and be saving money. Make sure you have something doing, you understand. Stick to that cent account, then you be growing with it slow and steady. You see miracle, you understand. All these people now that they are, see, I love all of them. I love every forex traders, you understand, because of the kind mentality they have. They can withstand any pressure, you understand. I'm not talking down on anybody, you understand, but you don't need to pay. You don't need to pay. You don't need to pay. The knowledge is everywhere. You understand? The knowledge is everywhere. So you said that I should show you how to mark a zone out, right? I'm going to do that now. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Make a check if okay. All right, make a check. This is it. So I'm going to like check, do this thing for you now like this. Sharing screen, this is like this. I want to take this trade, you know. I want to take this trade. You understand? I will take this particular trade. I want to prove it to you guys that yes, this is a bullish engulfing candle, but this one, this is when the market open. I'll take this particular trade. Then I'll wait for what. I'm coming. Okay. I'll go to another pair different to make to like show you out. I'll still go check that your equation. 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 Hey, now me people they joke with for analysis. Now me people they joke with for analysis. Ah, God. See, I told you guys, the market must come down to tap on this particular fair value gap. Mm? The market must come down to tap on this particular fair value gap and is not going to buy from this support level. What do you see? He tap on it, you understand? Tap on it, then take this impulsive move to the upside, this particular one. Mm? Sha, this is not the reason why I'm here. So this is exactly how I do my this thing. I recall let us see this question. This is exactly how I mark out my zone. Mm? Forex have taught me a lot of lesson that is not a quick rich scheme. Very nice. Very nice. Just let me. Where is the question, sef? Where is that question? Where is that question? Where is that question? Where is that question? How do you mark? Okay, how do you mark your zone? This is it here. See the question that you ask here, right? So this is it. I'm going to like clear this particular one. Then I'll use GBP USD to like analyze and show you how I mark is a zone out, my zone out. You understand? How to mark a clean support and a resistance level out. You understand? So this is it here. This is it here. I'm going to clean all this. Then once you come to your chart, if you come to your chart, whenever you come to your chart, the first thing first you need to do is go to the higher time frame, like 1 hour time frame. Know how today or yesterday candlestick close. You understand? Like this one now, this is yesterday candlestick because this one that close now this one they go tomorrow. See as 10 o'clock don pass already, new candlestick don close, don open. You understand? This one now, this today or now, we'll call it yesterday. You understand? This is how it closed. And before it closed, it do what it's supposed to do. And it went up to close as hammer. And whenever you see a hammer on your chart, you understand? The next candle will close and go and close bullish. You understand? And engulf this part, engulf the hammer. So what exactly are you going to do? You go to your lower time frame. 4 hour time frame. Now if you come to your 4 hour time frame, what you need to do now, you don't need much. You don't need much, you understand, because the market have moved from this particular. See, this is the last high. This is the last high where the market moved from. This is one zone, you understand, of which if the market reach this particular area, we expect the market to like do a little retracement, you understand, before it push up. So this is your first zone that you mark out. This is the last resistance level, you understand. This the last swing high, you can call it like that. This is the last swing high, this is the last resistance level, you can call it like that. Whenever the market reach this particular place, you must expect the market to like react, you understand. So then this is your last swing low. This is your last swing low. This is your last swing low. You understand? This is your last swing low, and there is another support level here. There's another support level here. Just look very very carefully and see how I'm marking my zone out to, because this is the type of zone that I take action from. You understand? I'll wait for, like, I'll mark a support and a resistance level out on the 4 hour time frame, then I'll go to the 15-minute time frame and wait for my strategy to play out. That is what exactly I do. So this is what the market is going to do when the market open. You understand? I'll go to this 15-minute time frame. This is the major support and resistance level that I mark out on the 4 hour time frame bar. Then I'll go to 15-minute time frame now to mark a minor support and resistance level, what the market will do, then the structure I will see from that particular area before I'll take action. Then let me go to 15-minute time frame now, like this. You understand? Okay, on the 15-minute time frame now, this is a major resistance level. A lot of people will take their buy from here because it's a resistance level, put their stop loss below the resistance level. You understand? But see what the market is going to do before it will take the right move to the upside tomorrow. It will, like, as it's coming like this, consolidating, it might go up like this, do something like this, you understand, on the support level, spike to this particular you understand. You see an engulfing candle from this particular minor resistance level. Let me. So this is where the market will break to. Like, if I want to take a buy on GBP/USD now, as the market have done what exactly I want it to do, I'll wait for the market to tap on this particular support level. You understand? Then if the market comes to this particular support level, I'll wait for it to form something like a W pattern here. Or if it come here, I'll wait for a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? A bullish engulfing candle. Oh yeah, now pick. It will form something like this. Then a bullish engulfing candle will form from this particular minor support level to the upside. Then I'll enter immediately. And if I enter, I'll be targeting the next resistance level. You understand? This is it here. This is it here. This is where I'll take my buy from tomorrow. Then if I see that particular engulfing candle, my stop loss will be below that particular engulfing candle. You understand? But on Euro USD, I want to take one trade on Euro USD and hold it for long. Then I'll show you guys what exactly technical analysis can do. You understand? I'll take a trade on Euro USD tomorrow. You understand? During London section, I'll look for entry and take a trade on Euro USD. Then I'll prove to you guys what technical analysis, a pure technical analysis can do. If you can be able to, like, learn pure technical analysis, the way it will help you, that it will help you more than anything. But that particular thing, you are the one that will, like, teach yourself. You understand? Stick to the market. Know how the market work. You understand? Know how the market move. You understand? All the time, stick to your chart. Like, do everything possible to, like, study the chart every blessed day. Then you'll be learning. There's something you will see on the chart. You understand? That will be like, maybe as this particular thing happen like this, maybe you see it countless of time on the chart, that maybe whenever a market comes to a support level like this is the kind of thing they always form before it move up. This is the kind of thing they always form before it move down. You stick to that particular thing, study it over and over again. You will get something, you understand, that you stick to, and that will be your strategy. Nobody is going to take that one from you. It's nobody that will teach you, and nobody is going to take that from you, because there is a psychology behind every strategy. Even if I teach you my strategy, it will take you a longer time. You are still going to work on it enough before you become profitable in it, because there is a psychology behind every particular strategy that you see. You understand? There's a psychology behind every particular this thing, how do you call, strategy that you see today. You understand? So if this is, I don't know if you understand how to mark a zone out now like this. Hmm? Ayomide, if you understand how to mark a zone out, let me know, let me know, let me know. Hmm? Do your top down analysis, know how they know how your know what your daily time frame is doing, then you switch to your 4 hour time frame, look for a major support and resistance level out, then you switch to your lower time frame and wait for your strategy to play out before you take a trade. So if you understand how to mark a zone now, please let me know. Major zone, no, major zone, I don't even know the kind of pair that you like sef. You should just mention one pair for me that you like, so that I'll just do analysis on that particular one for you. But if you understand this analysis, how to like mark a major support, a major zone out, just let me know. I'll be waiting for your reply. Ahmed, are you still active? Okay, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see your reply. Yes, I have understand your strategy is almost the same. Means our strategy is almost the same. It's very, very good with that. That's very, very great. Then all you need to do now is watch some of my videos. You understand? Watch some of my favorite page JPJPY. Mo pe o, mo pe o, mo pe o, mo pe o. Okay o. So, oya now, let me go to the PJPY and analyze it for you. Then mark a major support, major zone out for you that you'll be looking out for a buy or a sell. You understand? I think you like that one. Mhm. Let me do analysis for you on JPJPY. Let me do analysis for you on JPJPY. I have less than how many minutes? 20 something minutes to go. I have less than 20 something minutes to go. But let me do, I've analyzed JPJPY already. I think it's still here. This is it. uh Ahmed, let me know if you're active. Let me know if you're active. Real quick, real quick, real quick. Make I just show you. I analyze this particular pair for somebody, but by then it's like you're not active. So let me know if you're active, so that I'll just show you what all these things mean. Let me know if you're active so that I'll show you what all these things mean, all the drawings mean. Let me show you what I did on the on GPJPY. Let me know if you're active so that I'll show you what all this drawing mean on the GPJPY. If you are active, but any other person can ask the question, sha. Any other person can ask the question. If you have any question, just ask, just drop your question. I'm active to answer your question. I'm active. I'm active. Just that I'm waiting for Ahmed now to like respond. Then I'll show him what the exact this thing analysis I do on GPJPY so that he will be watching for that same thing on his this thing on his chart. Ahmed, if you are active, just let me know real quick. I have less than 20 minutes to go now. Or is there even need of waiting for you? Let me even show you. Let me be showing it, then you come back to it. That's what will happen. So on the BJPY, this is the gap I'm looking out for. Over how many days now? More than a week now. You understand, ba? So last 2 weeks, the market open with this particular gap. You understand? I'm expecting the market to like come down to fill this gap. And since then, the market is just doing up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. You understand? This market that open with gap, this retracement suppose come down to fill this particular gap before the market go up, but the market did not do that thing. You understand? What the market is doing is just going up and down, up and down, up and down. But currently now, what I'm expecting on GBP and USD because they almost work the same way. You understand? I will expect it to like as I will expect it as it move all the way to this particular resistance level for at this particular area. I will expect it to like come down. You understand? As it's moving to the downside, I will expect it to come down. Mm, maybe tap on this area, then come down to this particular side. You understand? This is exactly what I'm expecting. You understand? So all this thing that I do on GPJPY is a is a major zone. This is how to measure. This is how to mark a measure a strong zone on your chart. You understand? This is how to mark out a strong zone on your chart. Do you get? This is how to mark out a strong zone on your chart. All this zone is this is the last swing high. This is the last high. This is the last resistance level. You understand? Then this is the last support level, and this is the gap that I wanted to come and fill. You understand? So my network was bad. So no problem, no problem. You can watch it anytime. You understand? You can watch it anytime, no problem. You can watch it anytime. So this is the last high. You understand? This is the last resistance level, the all-time resistance level since the market create this particular gap. JPY create this particular gap. Then it went all the way to this particular place. You understand? Since then, it's been coming down, but not coming down straight. You know, market did not come down straight. It will just be going zigzag, 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 looking for a liquidity to grab before it to like do the right thing. You understand? Then this is what exactly I'm expecting on the market from tomorrow. You understand? Till next tomorrow. Is either the market come to this particular resistance level, this small fair value gap here, then break to the downside to fill this particular gap before it will move to the upside. You understand? So all this zone that I mark out is from the 4 hour time frame. You understand? This is the resistance level, this is the resistance level, this is the support level, and this is the gap the market must fill. You understand? The market must come down to this particular gap to fill it before it will go up. You understand, ba? I will even put a buy limit from this particular zone. I'll put a buy limit from this particular zone, and my stop loss will be below this particular support level, minor support level. This is it here, something like this. I don't over talk today now. I'm exhausted. You understand? I don't over talk today. This is close to 3 hours. So I'll take a buy if the market come to this particular support level. I'll take a buy. You understand? If the market come to this particular support level, I'll take a buy. So if there is any question, just let me know. If there's any question, just let me know. Just let me know real quick. I'll be waiting for your question. I'll be waiting for your question. If there is anything you don't understand on the chart, or if there is any pair at all you want me to analyze, just let me know so that I'll do that before I go. Because I have less than 15 minutes now to spend on the live. All right. Okay. You're active. So any question, please, please don't forget to like the video. Please like the video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please smash the subscribe button, please. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, please. I'm here to give value, nothing more than that. I'm here to give value, answer to your question. You understand? To the level that you love it. You understand, ba? So please don't forget to like the video. Please like the video, like the video. Then I'm waiting for your questions. I'll be waiting for your questions. I'll be waiting for your questions. I'll be waiting for your questions. Then if you want to take this trade with me on Euro USD, this is what you are going to do. If you want to take this trade with me on Euro USD, this is what you will do. This is exactly what you are going to do if you want to take a trade with me on Euro USD. You enter the trade. Let me go to 15-minute time frame and see something. Okay. So what I will be waiting for now is the market to like break below this particular support level to maybe around here. You understand? Then I'll enter for a buy. You understand? Once I get any little opportunity tomorrow, I'll buy for a swing trade on my 10K account. On my 10K funded next account, I'll just enter for a swing trade. You understand? I'll take this trade as a swing trade because this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'll be expecting. If this candlestick self, I'm even suspecting that this 4-hour candlestick will close above this one, because the market have done what exactly I want it to do. You understand? What I predict over how many days, more than 1 week now, you understand? But do you see how clean it play out? So I'm going to enter this trade as a swing trade. You can even enter now like this and put your stop loss below this particular support engulfing candle. Let me measure how many people if you enter now. Let me measure how many people should enter from this major this area. Is just 32 pip. You understand? Just 32 pip. If you enter now like this, you reach 32 pip. You understand? Enter as a swing trade, then pip. No matter what, the market is not a major news. You understand? The market is not since I can even do that now, I can take the trade now sef. I take the trade now. Since it's a swing trade, not a scalping or a day trading, let me just take the trade now. I'll take the trade now. Then how much? How many? I'll target 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is what I'm going to target. um 1 to 5 is what I'm going to target. This trade I'm taking live with you guys today. I'm coming to show you guys the result too. I'll make a login then show you guys wetin e be. So many people are using my phone. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay. Let me log into my Funded Nest account, that 10K account that I've been preserving. I've been preserving that 10K account like hey, I've been preserving that 10K account since I take it to since I take that 10K. What are the confirmation you see before you take the trade? This is it, sir. This is it. You see, I've been waiting for the market now for over how many days to reach this particular support level. And I say if the market reach this particular support level, Adebi, you have been active on my live stream. All everybody who are active on my live stream would testify to this. I say the market is going to like consolidate around this particular support level, then break down to this fair value gap. You understand? Then after the market tap on the fair value gap, all this drawing that you are seeing today is not from today. All this drawing that you are seeing, all this buy limit that you are seeing, no be today I do am. E don tey over 1 week, and now where I do this drawing, where I put all these things, I no gree delete am, because I know say whenever the market tap on this particular fair value gap, there must be a bullish engulfing candle. There must be a spike to the upside, and the market will take a move to the upside. So what I'm going to target on this particular swing trade that I'm going to take now is 1 to 5. You understand? 1 to 5 is what I'm going to target. Fundedness. No stress me. I'll take the trade and show you guys. I'm trying to log in because that particular 10K account I remove it from my MT5. Make I show una. If I show una this one, una fit just column my account dashboard. All right, make thank God. You guys are active, right? Mm-hmm. This is it. See the 10K account. Hope you guys are seeing it very well. As you can see, I'm up in 2%. Mm. This is $10,202. This is 2.03%. You understand? I'm going to log in now. Then I'll take this particular trade on Euro USD on it. You understand? I'm going to log in. All right. I've logged in already. I've logged in already. I've logged in already. I don't log in. I don't log in already. See the balance. This is the balance 10,202. I'm going to take that trade on this thing on Euro USD. I'm going to take a buy on Euro USD now. I'll take the buy and show you guys. The spread itself is even much now because the market is just opening, but I will not mind. You understand? Then first of all, let me calculate. I'm going to risk $50. You understand, ba? So and my stop loss will be below the engulfing candle. Let me put that thing. Let me bring that thing on. My stop loss will be below this particular engulfing candle. So this is it here. Let me do the calculation so that I'll know how many people I'll risk. I'm risking 35 pip. How many losses do I supposed to use to lose $50 if it go against me? Okay, if I'm to use 0.15, I'll lose 52.6. I'm going to use 0.15. Yep, I've taken the trade. I don't take the trade already. Let me put the I'll not put this in now 1 to 5 at the target too. I'm risking $50. I'm risking $50. Means $50. 1 to 5 for $50. That is 200 and what? 250, ba? 250. $250. This is it. I've taken the trade. Let me. This is it here. Can you see? I don't know if you can see it very clear. Do you see how much I'm risking? I'm risking $50.1. You understand? Then how much am I targeting? How much am I targeting? I'm targeting $250. $250.1 You understand? 1 to 5 is what I'm targeting. Because now me do the analysis. You get? I'm going to swing it. This is the trade I'm taking. No. This is where I enter from. And this is where I enter from. Then this is where my stop loss is. This is where my stop loss is. If you want to take the risk with me, take it. Let's go. Me na risk taker. And I 1 to 5 at the target too. 1 to 5. So this is it. Exactly like this. Let me show the screen. Let me show the screen. This is the trade I take. This is the trade I take. You understand? That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. If you want to take see, I go even want you, if you have demo account, but don't even use your real account, take this trade with me so that you'll be monitoring it. So that you go dey monitor am. I want you guys to take this trade with me so that una go dey monitor am from una side too. You understand? Take it with me so that you go dey monitor am from your side too. Abeg tell me any pair so that we analyze am together. Take am with any account you have. If you have a demo account, take am with a demo account so that you go dey monitor am from your side too. Shey una see am? I even see una too dey like evidence o, so I need to still show una say no be cho 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 o. Why don't wait to retrace small? No. This one na swing trade, no be scalping. You understand na why? This one na swing trading, no be scalping. For say na scalping, I for go to 15-minute time frame, wait for my strategy. But this one na swing trade, and there is an engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame. I don't just trade it just that I want to trade it too. There is an engulfing candlestick on the 4-hour time frame. That is why my stop loss is below that 4-hour candlestick engulfing engulf. You understand? So this is it. This is it here. As you can see, this is the funded nest. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. This is the account. Then this is the trade. You understand? I don't just take it to. I don't just take it like, hey, Ahmed, I understand your concern. You understand? But I want to show you guys how my strategies work and how my analysis work. I don't need to prove any point, but I just want to, like, you understand? I just want to, like, you get. So no need for any, for say na like maybe scalping trade or any other thing, then I for wait for a little retracement. You understand? Tomorrow, if I want to take this particular trade on Euro USD with my 25K account, I will wait for my 15-minute confirmation. You understand? Before I take this particular trade. You understand, ba? But this particular one is a swing trade that I'm going to leave it for long. You understand? I'm going to leave it for long before I opt it out. And I will come and opt it out on a live video here. That is just it. Before I opt it out, I'll come and opt it out on a live video here. So now I'm going to delete this particular account from my phone. When I want to opt it out, I'll log it. I'll come log in here. You understand? I'll delete it. Then if I want to log in, if I want to take that trade out, then I'll come and log in on the live account, on the live stream here, so that you guys will see. I'm deleting it. Yep, I've deleted it. You understand? But I've deleted it. So you guys are going to see the results. If you hit SL, I'll come on live here to tell you guys that, see, the trade go against me and he hit SL. If you hit take profit, because what I'm targeting is $250, which is 1 to 5. I'm risking $50 to get $250. You understand? That is 1 to 5. 1 to 5 RR risk to reward bar. If the trade hits me out, anytime the trade hits me, hi Ben, yeah, you're welcome, my brother. You are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. So if the trade hit me out, I will come on live here to show you guys that yes, the trade hit me out. And if the trade hits take profit, I'll come on live here and tell you guys that yes, it hit take profit. If I want to take it out, I'll come on live here and show you guys that yes, I want to take it out. So this one, that one that I take on that 10K account is for you guys. I go do am, I go show una the history. You understand? So that una go know say yes. See, I want everything will be clear for you guys. Just be consistent. You understand? Maybe before this thing play out, it go reach maybe 1 week or 2 week. That's just it. 1 or 2 week, it go reach. How many people? I don't even know. I don't forget. Okay, is here. How many people is he going to like? How many people am I targeting? Targeting 171 people. If na gold, na just jacko now. If na gold, na jacko before you know it don play out. But USD is very slow. How are you doing? I have been following you for a while. Wow, that's very great. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm doing great, my bro. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. So I'm calling now. I'm ending the live stream now. I've spent 3 good hours. We'll see tomorrow if there is light, if there is NEPA. We'll see tomorrow if there is NEPA. And if you want to take the trade with me, use demo account and take the trade so that you'll be monitoring how it will go. You understand? Use demo account and take the trade, then you'll be monitoring it how it will go. You understand? Then please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. I'm also a forex trader, 2 years. That's very great, my brother. You just keep pushing. You understand? If you want to understand the real reason why the topic is struggling traders are the main reason for my live stream. You understand? Then if you get chance, watch this particular live stream from the beginning. All the advice that I have for struggling traders, I've said it from the beginning. Like I use like 30 to 40 minutes talk about that particular one, special for strugglers. You understand? For upcoming traders. You understand, ba? So as you are coming, there are a lot of time you are going see. It will take a longer time. You understand? It will take a longer time. So just be very, very consistent with your chat. Don't pursue profit. All you need to pursue is to like pursue a working strategy. You understand? Then be very, very disciplined. You understand, my brother? Blossom. Be very disciplined. Be very, very strategic. Make sure you build this thing trust around your strategy. Whatever strategy you are using to take your trade, make sure you stick to it. Don't learn anybody's strategy and don't take anybody's signal. You understand? Because you don't know when that person is going to lose and you don't know when that person is going to gain. All you need is to just build your own. Don't pursue profit, to pursue knowledge. If you stick to my channel, you know that yes, I always talk about how you pursue knowledge all the time. Every time, please pursue knowledge. Once you get the knowledge, everything will be free for you. You understand? Once you get the knowledge, everything will be free for you. We are gonna win one day. That's just it. 100%. You understand? 100%. That one is sure. When we get the Lambo. See, this is exactly what I've been talking about. You come late now. I want to end the stream. You still want to take me back. This is what I've been talking about. You see all these people that is buying Lambo and the rest that you are seeing today. Happy Forex make $1.5 million from his trade today alone. No, you understand? He makes 1.5 million. A lot of people will think he's a fake. He's not faking it. That guy is real and legit. You understand? I have the knowledge, bro. See, now the problem now be this. Now the problem. You have the knowledge, then continue now. Just keep pushing. Just keep pushing. Stick to your plan. If you have the knowledge, that's just all. Keep pushing. Stick to your plan and just keep going. What's your stop loss? From this particular one that I just trade, from this particular one that I just trade is 33 people, 33 people stop loss. So you know, say it's a swing trade, it's not like normal trade. Mm? It's a swing trade, not a scalping or a day trading strategy. You understand? That thing will take a longer time to play out. So if you want to take it, please use demo accounts. Me now, my prop account I use. You understand? So use demo account to like test it out, either if it will work or not. You get what I'm risking is $50 to get $250 actually, but I wanna learn more, bro. See, no matter the knowledge you have, you still need to be keep learning. That is the reason why you see a lot of book in all these our mentors, this thing, in their studio you see a lot of book. They keep learning, you understand? See, there is no end to learning. You get, ba? There is no end to learning. You keep learning, re-strategizing your strategy, refining it. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going till you hit a omo. I don't know how to explain it more than this again, but me, I just know say we are going to make it. That's just it. We are going to make it. So see you guys tomorrow. Come on my live stream tomorrow so that we'll gist more. I'm ending the live stream now. I don't try. This is 3 hour 15 minutes sharp. So see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. Sorry for leaving you here. Love you guys. Come tomorrow by 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Come tomorrow by 8 p.m. I will be on the live. If there is light, if there is NEPA, if NEPA give us light, I will be on the live no matter what. Maybe let me just say 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. You understand? Depending on the energy I have. You understand? So come here, we'll be rubbing mind together, sharing trading idea and the rest. That's just all we'll do. And if you find this particular, thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. If you find this particular live stream interesting, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Then share it to your friends that you know that is into forex trading also. They are going to learn from it. That is the promise. They are going to learn from it. Share it to your WhatsApp status so that other persons will like pick from the advice down to the analysis, down to everything that we share. Share this link to your WhatsApp status. Then you yourself watch it from the beginning. That is where the real knowledge is. That is where the real one-on-one talk is. You understand? Thank you. I see you tomorrow. God bless you. 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 God bless you.